In this session, we'll discuss all the formulae related to dilute solutions and colligative properties. First of all, we should know what is a solution. Solution is a combination of solute and solvent. So the amount of solute present in the particular solution, if you are going to express, that is only called concentration. Concentration terms are very, very important. Some concentration terms I am going to give you. This is not a regular class. I am just revising the formula. Standard solution means concentration known solution. If the concentration is known to you, 0.1 molar, 0.2 molar, 0.3 normal, like that. If any concentration is known, that is called standard solution. And here we are going to calculate some concentration terms. The most important one is molarity. Molarity is given by capital M. Units are moles per liter. What are the formulae for molarity? Molarity is number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. N by V, V must be in liters. Our molarity is equals to, in place of N we can write weight by molecular weight, or you say mass by molecular mass, into 1 by V in liters. Our molarity is equals to weight by molecular weight. If it is given milliliters, then 1000 by V in milliliters. Our molarity is equals to N into 1000 by V in milliliters. From this one I have written this. Maximum time they will ask you what is the molecular mass. So molecular mass is equals to, this is the molecular mass, that is the molecular weight. Molecular weight is equals to, if the molecular weight is coming here, then weight by molarity into 1 by V. Molecular mass is equals to weight by molarity into 1 by V if it is given in liters. They will be asking you mass also, mass of solute also they will ask you. Mass of solute is equals to, this is mass of solute, or is the weight of solute, that is equals to molarity into gram molecular weight into V if it is given in liters. If it is given in milliliters, then divided by 1000. Weight is equals to molarity into molecular weight into V by 1000. That is to find out the mass of solute. Molarity is equal to N by V. Molarity is equals to weight by molecular weight into 1 by V. Molarity is equals to weight by molecular weight into 1000 by V. Molarity is equal to N into 1000 by V. Like this, you can calculate. Along with this, and molarity, very interesting point is, it depends on temperature. It is temperature dependent. Dilution law. Dilution law means when you are adding water, then M1 V1 is equals to M2 V2. Here they will be asking you one other question, that is volume of water to be added. Volume of water to be added is equals to V2 minus V1. Here V2, here V1. The difference is volume of water to be added in the particular dilution. Neutralization law. M1 V1 by N1 is equals to M2 V2 by N2. M1 V1 by N1 is equals to M2 V2 by N2. It is the neutralization law. Then if two acids or two bases are mixed, two acids or two bases when they are mixed, final molarity is equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Same nature when you are adding. Final molarity is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. If you are adding an acid and a base, when acid and a base is added, then molarity is equals to M1 V1 minus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Which should be taken first? The higher one. Just see M1 V1 value. M1 V1 value, if it is acid is more, you take your acid. If base is more, you take your base. Common sense. Dilution law, neutralization law. when two acids are mixed, when two bases are mixed. One more shortcut is molarity is equals to percentage weight by volume when it is given into 10 by gram molecular mass. Percentage weight by volume into 10 by gram molecular mass. When percentage weight by weight is given, molarity is equals to percentage weight by weight into density into 10 by gram molecular weight. All these formulae are important for your entrance examinations. About molarity is temperature dependent. Then second important one is normality. Normality indicated by capital N. Units are gram equivalents per liter, like moles per liter, that is gram equivalent per liter. Normality definition is number of gram equivalents by volume of solution. Number of gram equivalents by volume of solution. Units gram equivalents per liter. In place of gram equivalents, you can write N is equals to, normality is equals to, in place of this, weight by gram equivalent weight. Previously we have written molecular weight, now this is equivalent weight, into 1 by V in liters. Normality is equals to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. Otherwise, here also you can use the same formula. N is equal to number of gram equivalents into 1000 by V if it is given in milliliters. Same formula. Here for dilution and for neutralization, same formula. Dilution and neutralization, the formula is same. N1 V1 is equals to N2 V2. N1 V1 is equals to N2 V2. One other you can take here. Normality is equals to percentage weight by volume when it is given into 10 by gram equivalent weight. Normality is equals to percentage weight by weight when it is given into 10 into D by gram equivalent weight. Normality formula. Here one special term is there, that is gram equivalent mass. I will explain you what is gram equivalent mass in next video.